AC repair Coral Springs. Coral Springs household and business can rely on Cool Air USA for all their air conditioning needs. Serving Coral Springs since to, since 2006, Cool Air USA has grown into one of the most trusted HVAC companies in Florida. Our AC repair Coral Springs services are designed with the need of Coral Springs household a business uh, in mind. Emergency AC repair Coral Springs. If you have an emergency AC breakdown in Coral Springs, whether during the night or on weekends, give us a call. We prioritize the comfort of our client and have a dedicated emergency AC repair Coral Springs function just to handle those unexpected service call. Just know that you can always count on us to give you professional emergency AC repair Coral Springs services at an affordable rate. Whatever the root case is electrical problems, contamin- condiments in the system, anti-coats, oil, lubrication, or incorrect section line size. We shall diagnose it with an expert eyes and state of the art equipment and get the right fix for it. In case the problem require an overhaul of your system, we shall give you recommendation on how best to go about it. Having been in the industry for over one and a half decades, we know the brands that are reliable and fit for you.